In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design t-shirt in Printful. We'll walk through the exact path you need to take, and I'll share helpful tips along the way so your design looks great when printed. First, open the Printful website in your browser. Give it a moment to load, and if you land on any page other than the main hub, go ahead and click on Home. This makes sure you're starting from the central dashboard where everything you need is clearly laid out. On the home page, look for Step 1, labeled Design Your Product. Click the Start button there. This takes you straight into the design flow where you can pick a shirt and start customizing without any guesswork. Now you'll choose your base product. For this tutorial, stick to one of two options, the garment-dyed heavyweight t-shirt or the classic tee. The garment-dyed heavyweight tee has a thicker, more premium feel with a slightly vintage, relaxed look. It's great if you want a sturdier shirt that holds structure. The classic tee is lighter, more everyday, and typically a bit softer right out of the box. If you're unsure, think about your audience and the look you're going for. Bolder, high-contrast prints often pop on 100% cotton, while heathered blends give a softer, more casual vibe. With your shirt selected, it's time to design it the way you want. Start by picking a shirt color that complements your artwork. High-contrast combinations are easiest to read. Light designs on dark shirts, or dark designs on light shirts. When you add your artwork, use high-resolution files at the size you want them printed, ideally 300 dpi. A PNG with a transparent background is a reliable choice for clean edges. Keep important elements inside the safe print area so nothing gets cut off, and use the alignment guides to center your design. For a standard front print, a width around 10 to 12 inches is common, and leaving a bit of space below the collar helps the design sit naturally. If you're adding a small chest graphic, keep it compact so it doesn't feel oversized. You can also add text directly in the design tool. Choose a legible font, increase line spacing for readability, and avoid ultra-thin lines that may not print crisply. Strong, solid colors and clear shapes tend to produce the most consistent results. Before you finish, take a moment to preview your shirt. Look at it from different angles, zoom in to check for pixelation, and confirm the placement feels balanced on the garment. That's it. By opening the Printful website, heading to Home, clicking Start in Step 1, choosing either the garment-dyed heavyweight or classic tee, and designing to your taste, you're ready to create a polished t-shirt with confidence.